What's good, YouTube? It's your boy C. It's your boy Me. You know what it is, man. You know what we back with? Another, say it with me, banger, banger, banger. Yeah, you already know the vibes, chat. So you're like, all right, twin, what we got going on today, man? First of all, the message of the day is a very simple one. You know, Exodus, Moses was talking about leading the people to the land of milk and honey that was promised to him. You know what I'm saying? That's, we getting biblical straight off the bat. You know what I'm saying? So for the message of the day today, before we get into anything else, I want you to remember something. You got to have trust in God and have faith in God to make it to that land of milk and honey. You got to trust His process and fully be committed to walking with Him to make it to the land of milk and honey. You know what I'm saying, twin? But you like, all right, twin, you got that. You know what I'm saying? So now that you got that message today, I'm going to say the prayer and we're going to get straight into the video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's a little different. We're straight into it today, but you already know the vibe. So let's get into it. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for just waking us up today, Lord, and blessing us with another beautiful day where we can go out and be the people that you made us to be, Lord. I thank you for just allowing me to get to another beautiful night, Lord, where I can sit down and record this video for the people out there and the people that you're working with every day like you're working with me, Lord, and you just don't give up on any of us, Lord. And I thank you so much for that and the things that you will continue to do for us and the doors you will continue to close and open for us, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. And the chat said, amen. You already know what it is. So what we got going on today, man? So while I explain everything, I need you to do me a favor, right? So right there, I need you to go follow the Grammyana. That's your boy Instagram. Go follow that. So, I think we right around the corner, literally at 2,200 followers. We've been running up to Instagram. Y'all been really enjoying the content here lately with the different type of travel content showing off, the state I'm in being North Carolina, you know what I'm saying? I love that y'all rocking with that. And, just the community, we growing, and speaking of growing the community, right there, you know what I'm saying? Right there is the Discord. So make sure you join the Discord, twin. Because that's where I'm, like, if you're trying to talk to me or you're trying to, like, tap in or just ask me a question, in the general chat of my Discord is low-key the best place for you to get in contact with me. I'm not gonna lie to you. So yeah, man, that's great motion. Join the Discord, you feel me? We're probably gonna do a giveaway at like 350 members again, if I'm honest. Like, I like doing giveaways. I like when y'all tapped in, y'all rocking with your boy, and we able to just have good motion, you know what I'm saying? So y'all done all that for your boy. You already know what it is, man. I want you to let me know something in the comments right now. You feel me? I'm talking to you, twin, because y'all be smoking while watching my videos. I'm assuming y'all either be smoking or y'all eating something. If I'm wrong, let me know. Let me know if you're doing something else. Unless you're doing some wild shit, I don't want to know. But let me know what you're smoking on, twin. Let me know what strain you got put in the air right now, because I genuinely want to know. Like, I like to know what y'all got going on, bro. I like to hear that super hot fire that y'all be having, you know what I'm saying? So definitely let me know down below in the comments. But you see the bag, man. You already know what it is. You see this blue bag. You know what we rocking when you know what we got going on. So huge shout out to my people, my folks at ShopHelloMary, man. You see the bag, bro. I gotta mark out all the links and all that stuff too. So that if you wonder why I done colored on the bag, I got arts and crafts going on. That's why, bro. Let me say huge shout out to them. Huge shout out to them, because I know low-key, in my opinion, they're more of a wax company, a concentrate company, but they tailored some to send out to your boy knowing I'm not a concentrate fan or an edible fan. I only like flowers. I like keeping it floral in a bit. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to them for taking that consideration. So when we get into this bag, I want y'all to know they really made their bit for your boy. They sent this out for your boy, right? So before we completely open all the fun, get into all the goods, YouTube, this video is completely educational because I'm just talking about the company and what's going on. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about current world events while talking about everything else. So this is a completely educational video. YouTube. This is a completely educational video, YouTube. You do not have to bully me. Yeah, so run the clip and let's get straight into it. Alright, so you like, twin, what we got going on, what we got? So y'all see the bag, bro. I'm really not gonna waste no time. Like, I know they done sent your boy some file. I already done got the short for y'all. You feel me? You can hit the corner right there, go watch the short, go tap in. But bro, y'all know these blue bags though. Dynamite, like blue bags are bow, you know what I'm saying? Hello. No bow shall go under hello. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you know. But that ShopHelloMary spread hit different. You know what I'm saying? Now, oh my goodness gracious. Like, bro, I'm telling you, that little bag, when they send you the little bags, that hit different. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these are all their premium packs. You know what I'm saying? They sent your boy 4 premium 8s, 4 premium 3.5s. So, like I said, if you want to see them, you got to hit the short because of YouTube's age restriction policies. They don't let me show y'all the flower no more. Boo. I know. Don't hate me. Hate YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But let me show y'all what all we got. So let's get to it. First up. Y'all recognize that name, man? Hey, that's a classic, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, whenever I get absolute classics like a Gary Payton or something like that, that's like, it just makes me happy, you know what I'm saying? That we keeping the good alive, you know what I'm saying? We keeping it going. So when I get a good classic like this, it always makes your boy, you know, I'm definitely going to be tapping in with this. This is probably something y'all gonna see your boy smoke on stream, so make sure y'all got them noties on so you can get with the streams, right? What else we got? Because I ain't gonna lie, I already know what I rolled up. I done talked Discord, I done talked to the homies, asked them what folks wanted to see me smoke first out of this little batch, and I already done got the Woody on our own roll, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'll be ahead of the curve a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you what else we got, fam. Bow. Now, I said on the story that y'all gonna see, I don't even know the last strawberry strain I had, because I know when I was in California, I had some strawberry gelato from 3 Bros, but y'all did not see that video, because for one, the pack was terrible. It was a terrible pack, and the other side of it was just, it was bad, and yeah, the audio was chopped. But now, this smells really good. Like, this smells really good, so I'm definitely excited to try this. Y'all gonna have to leave a like, let me know what y'all want to see that on. You feel me? But let me show you what else we got. You know, this is a late night vibe, late night session. If you was coming here expecting a normal CX1 video where we got all the energy, bro, I ain't gonna lie, it was 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, I'm vibing, I'm trying to get me some good smoke and go night-night, you know what I'm saying? And I know they delivered some fire for me to do just that. So what else we got? Some Bolo Runts. Now, y'all know Super Bolo is one of my favorite strains to end off last year and to start this year. Like, I love Bolo Runts. Like, chef's kiss, you know what I'm saying? Like, cannot get enough of that, right? But I said Bolo Runts. I meant to say Super Bolo. If I did not say Super Bolo that whole time, I was meaning to say Super Bolo. Super Bolo is one of my favorite, like, strains right now from the end of last year and the beginning of this year, right? So, when I see a Bolo Runts pop up in the bag, I feel some type of way, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I can get a little free. Thank you with that, mom, man. You know what I'm saying? But last but not least, and this is the pack that we got on roll today, because like I said, I asked y'all, I wanted to see what y'all was talking about, and then what y'all was talking about. But we got some of that Tahoe OG. Now, I don't, bro, I'm trying to think the last OG I had that was even like an actual OG. Off the top of my head, I cannot remember. Y'all honestly probably remember better than I do. So if you remember the last OG I smoked, twin, let me know down below. You know me, you know what I'm saying? But bro, you know, they be rocking with your boy, so they sent me all this out of love to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? To show off to y'all, to rock with y'all, to review for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So I'm very curious to actually know what the price point of this stuff is. Well, shit. I see that they have some Zangria by Connected. I seen that they was talking about that. Alien Labs, the owner of that, was talking about that on Twitter. Apparently, they really got some of the same, like, vibe, even though it's not necessarily supposed to be. But I'm seeing they got some Connected flower on here, and I know that joint is fire. So it looks like the 3.5s are probably averaging out around a price of about 40 for the 3.5, you know what I'm saying? So a premium price, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it looks like all these so far are $40. And y'all let me know, bro, because I've been having this conversation a lot here recently. I know, bro. I've been taking a lot of time to get to the smoke. My fault, bro. How much is the price of a 3.5 in 2026? Because I know how y'all be feeling, how y'all be talking to me. 10 a gram to y'all is crazy nowadays. Like, folks ain't paying 10 a gram no more. So y'all let me know, what is like a solid price for a good 3.5? Let me know. Without further ado, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a Woodiana. Forgot to put the bill across the screen, then it's supposed to go flying. I forgot to send it flying. I'm already fried, ain't it, chat? No, without further ado, let's get straight into it, twin. Cheers. While I'm sparking up the Woodiana, bro, y'all let me know what movie y'all like most excited for, or y'all most looking forward to in 2026. I done told y'all this before. Me personally, I'm so excited for Avengers Doomsday. I don't even know what to do, twin. But I'm gonna be so honest with you. I'm shook. I'm low key shook. Cause what do you mean they didn't have a Super Bowl commercial for none of the good shit? I didn't even really watch the Super Bowl this year. Let me know how y'all feel about the outcome. But bro, I heard the commercials and everything about this year's Super Bowl outside of the game itself pretty much was terrible. I heard the halftime show was good. I did hear the halftime show was good. If you enjoyed the halftime show, let me know. But I heard that commercials and the ads were terrible this year, bro. Cheers. Ooh, what kind of gelato is that? I don't even know if that tastes that. That original hit just tastes like gelato. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know I love gelato now. I ain't saying that like a bad thing now. But that first hit tastes like gelato, and I definitely like gelato. Like, whew. That joint tastes like a marshmallow, low key. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's really good. Like, that is really good. I don't know I'm sitting here smoking this like, bro, you know, we've had a lot of OGs, like a lot of OGs. And I feel like throughout my time smoking, I've definitely had a Tahoe OG. But like, this is not a familiar taste, low-key. Like, it's a gelato in a sense, but that marshmallow taste kind of threw me off. Not in a bad way, but I'm like, hold on, that was a little unique. Like, it has a very... Let me break down exactly what I'm tasting. So you hit it, and initially, you're getting like this sweet-ish... I said gelato because it had a creamy taste, but that low-key might be the vanilla backwood. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But it's got like a... I hate saying earthy on here with y'all because y'all equate earthy with outdoors sometimes, and that's not what I'm meaning. Like maybe a floral, if that's the right way, but like a very like fresh, refreshing hit to it. Like that's what I be thinking about when I think of OG. It's definitely gassy on the nose. But how this joint hitting, how she's striking, how she posing, I think this is gonna be a very good indica. I'm not gonna lie, it is very refreshing to get a earthy, gassy, outside plant tasting gas and it be really good and it not taste like dirt or it not taste like outdoors per se. Like it's just refreshing, like, cause I ain't gonna lie, this joint, it's not even crazy on the flavor profile for real, but y'all know I'm a flavor hunter. Like I love good flavors. This is just refreshing and it's calm, very smooth, bro. Like this is like actually so, yes, it tastes refreshing, but it's refreshing to smoke in itself. Because it's like, damn, this is some good ass weed. You know what I'm saying? Like, genuinely. Bring OG back, bro. Like, no cap. Like, that's coming from somebody who loves all the fruits, the candies, all that. But like, even the beginning of this blunt, where I thought it was a gelato because of the vanilla backwood, that creaminess. Y'all seen how I was like, warm me in. I'm on that. Like, I'm on that. But like, now that it's settled out and it's definitely got more of a like natural flavor, if that makes sense, it's probably better low-key. Like I think this is one of those ones you can smoke, get really fried from just sitting here smoking and maybe like talking to the camera like I'm doing right now and not even realize how fried you getting because of how smooth this joint is just going. You know what I'm saying? How smooth she smoking, how smooth she burning. Like, damn, it made me want more OGs. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know I've been asking y'all a lot of questions this video, and I need you to answer all of them. But I'm gonna ask y'all a lot of questions, bro. Let me know something. What's y'all's favorite OG strain, like back in the day strain? Because if you did not see, you missing out from one. But if you did not see, your boy just interviewed the biggest plug in North Carolina. You feel me? Got to sit down. We had a little smoke session and vibed out, right? But I asked him about like strains from back in the day, and he was talking about even like the original Z. You know what I'm saying? Like some of those stuffs, like that's fire. But me personally, like y'all know I'm just got off my rookie deal if I was on a smoke contract, you know what I'm saying? I've been smoking for, 6 years now, just going on 6 years, you know what I'm saying? But when I even first started doing the content, bro, like a company that don't even exist anymore, sent me some White Widow, bro. It was like completely white nugs, beautiful pack. Everything about it is beautiful. I ain't had no White Widow since that was like that. Look like that, smoke like that, anything like that, you know what I'm saying? But that's mine personally, so y'all let me know. But damn, this Tahoe OG got me ready to hit the road, you know what I'm saying? Hit the road and go to sleep type shit. I ain't driving, but I definitely hit the road and go to sleep, you know what I'm saying? The aftertaste on this is really good. Like that gassy, it is a little cream aftertaste. This still might be the backwood, but it's good either way. Yeah, no, I ain't gonna lie, this is definitely one of them ones, like, you know, y'all gotta check the comments. If you know, you know. Check the comments, twin. Like, that's how you get right every time. Check the comments. But, like, there's not really much more to say. They definitely snapped on this. I need y'all to let me know. Like I said, I'm questioning y'all. This is an interview, cuz. This is an interrogation. You gotta lock in. I'm taking y'all out of jail, cuz. You know what I'm saying? But, what I need y'all to do, bro, what y'all want to see next? Because they sent your boy, if they, the rest of these, bro, ain't no way that bitch just died on me. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I done smoked like half this joint. I think I can give y'all a review, give y'all a rating, let y'all get a hit, take one more hit, and I think we can get up out of here. Because she definitely doing indica things, you know what I'm saying? Burping while smoking is so funny because you burp smoke out. I be feeling like a dragon when I do that. Maybe, yeah. Definitely some goodie pack, you know what I'm saying? So let me let y'all get right, you know what I'm saying? There you go, Swin. Do what you need to do. Get right, you know what I'm saying? You know, get activated, you know what I'm saying? But, man, other than that, I'm going to tell you, let her rate that hoe, because she doing work. Work. That's what she doing, man. So let's do it. She is smacking, boy. This is a good one. Like, oh my goodness. This is like, This is really good. Like, this is something I think this is something you can smoke with, like, anybody, obviously anybody 21 and up, but like all ages is what I was about to say. And what I mean by that is there's like enough creaminess and like smoothness for like even somebody who likes candies and like fruits and like the dessert type smokes to really like this too. But there's enough of that like just natural, like just gas in there for like your OG to rock with this too. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is definitely good. I give this a solid 9.16 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? We're getting back specific with it. This is a 9.16. No bull. So I'm gonna tell you one more hand, and then I'm gonna dip out of HJ. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. Shout out to them folks at ShopHelloMary. They snapped absolutely. I don't know if you heard me. Absolutely snapped on this. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my goodness. Like, this was a good one. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to turn this bit off and go to sleep. I'm gonna have to go night chat. So, you know what I'm saying? They definitely snapped with this one. So, it's been your boy C. It's been your boy Me. If you live in Sterling, you mugging well, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never, ever miss an upload from your boy. Because y'all know how YouTube be, man. I know they like playing with your boy. But, other than that, man, I love y'all so much. And I'm gonna see y'all for the next one, dog. Peace. I appreciate you for liking the video. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but I appreciate you for stopping by. YouTube said you gonna like this video right here if you like this one, twin. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, you gonna like that one. But you hear the song? That's my song, Soul Circus. It's out. It just dropped on my project 1111 by me, YouTube exclusive. Go hit that corner, man. Go tap in with it, man. I love y'all. See y'all for the next one. Don't try, little bruh. Promise you ain't got enough steez. If you reach, little nigga, you shaking his hand at the meet and greet.